I'm Bo with Karcher. I'm here today to introduce you to the Chariot 3 iExtract Duo carpet cleaning system. The Chariot 3 iExtract Duo is a 26-inch wide system that will actually perform two functions. It'll do encapsulation or it'll do deep extraction. It's a 26-inch system. It has a 25-gallon solution tank and a 28-gallon recovery tank. We're going to start taking a look at some of the features on this machine that make it very unique on the control panel. We're going to see three things. We're going to see the eco-efficiency system that Karcher has, our Easy Dial, and our color-coded touch points. On any Karcher piece of equipment, whenever you see something that's outlined in yellow or is yellow itself, means that that is something you need to train the operator on so they know how to safely and effectively operate that piece of equipment. Now, one of the largest things that's yellow on our control panel is our Easy Dial. Now, we use pictograms to help cut through language, so no matter who is operating the equipment, no matter what language they speak, they can look at the pictures on the Easy Dial and understand what that cleaning mode does. Let's take a look at the different functions that the Easy Dial has. You have two transport speeds, a minimum speed and a maximum speed. You have two areas in blue. These are eco-efficiency areas, and these are areas where the Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo does encapsulation. The only difference between these two areas, as you can see, is the speed at which you will operate. You have a heavy extraction, a light extraction, where the difference is, again, how fast you move. You have a vacuum only, and you have a brush only. One final note on the areas in blue, the eco-efficiency areas where the Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo does encapsulation. On virtually every piece of a Karcher equipment, we've undergone eco-efficiency testing. What that means is we've tried to figure out where's that spot where you get the best clean with the least amount of resources. On the Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo, that's in the encapsulation mode. Now, the benefit to encapsulation is that by using encapsulation versus extraction, you can clean 1,000 square feet with 8 ounces of detergent and 1 gallon of water. If you compare that to extraction, deep extraction on a carpet, you would use 2 to 3 times as much detergent and 6 to 8 times as much water to clean the same area. Additionally, encapsulation is dry in about 20 minutes and ready for people to walk on it. Extraction, it's going to take usually 4, sometimes even 8 hours to be dry and ready to be trafficked again. So, the beautiful thing about the encapsulation on the eco-efficiency mode is it helps you maintain a clean, consistent appearance with less water, detergent, labor, and downtime. If you have the optional onboard charger on your Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo, you're going to store the charging cord right here once you're done charging the unit. Another option you see at the back is our Productivity Plus pack. Now, what the Productivity Plus pack gives you the ability to do is to wheel a cart up to the back of the unit, lock it in place, and pull the batteries that have been expended and used onto the cart. You can then release the cart and take it away so that you could charge the batteries outside of the piece of equipment. You can then wheel up a cart with a freshly charged set of batteries, push them into the unit, hook them up, and continue to clean. If you're really looking to clean for long periods of time, the Productivity Plus pack helps you get it done with one machine to store and invest in. Underneath the Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo, we're going to look at three features. The first is the optional off-aisle cleaning hookup. If you want this option on your Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo, it comes with two different size nozzles for hooking up solution, and you can hook up vacuum here as well. This will allow you to use a wand for small areas like cubicles, or even hook up an upholstery tool to be able to do chairs. At the front on the deck, we're going to take a look at two things. First, the brushes are very easy to remove for maintenance. Simply pull a clip, and the brushes come right out for cleaning and maintenance. On top of the brushes, you have a very easy to maintain tube that delivers the detergent to the brushes. So by simply pressing a button, I can release the tube, and this will allow me to maintain it So if detergent builds up in here, I can simply release the end, and now I can back flush all the water and detergent inside this tube to keep it clean, so it'll deliver the precise amount I want on my brushes, whether I'm encapsulating or extracting. The final thing we're going to look at are the vacuum shoes. By simply depressing a button, I can pull my vacuum shoe out, and I have a clear vacuum shoe that I can now see. Additionally, I can pull that clear vacuum shoe out, and now I can maintain this clear part, clean this out, as well as the vacuum shoe that actually contacts the floor. So, with a machine like this, I can maintain the brushes, maintain the water flow, and maintain the vac shoes so that my Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo always performs at peak performance. Another feature that's standard on your Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo is Karcher Fleet. Now, Karcher Fleet is a powerful cloud-based system that can do a lot for you. But if you boil it down, it essentially does 4 things. First, it shows you how many machines you have. It's a good bet that if you have a large fleet of equipment, you probably don't know exactly how many pieces of equipment you have. Karcher Fleet will tell you that. It tells you where your machines are at all times, so you can see exactly on a map, overlaid over your building, where your machine is located. Karcher Fleet will tell you if your machines are in good working order. It'll tell you if your batteries are getting close to needing replaced. It'll tell you if a service code has popped and your machine needs repaired. The final thing is, Karcher Fleet will tell you how your machines are being used. It'll allow you to view usage reports and see how your machines are being utilized so that you can really dial in your efficiencies. So, Karcher Fleet is a powerful feature that's standard on your machines. When you get your machine, you have 10 freemium views. You can see everything 10 times, and then it's one small monthly amount to view your data at any time, as many times as you want, with as many people looking at the machine for just a small monthly fee. So there you have it. You now know the features that make the Chariot 3 iExtract 26 Duo a great machine for your facility. Until next time, keep it clean.